coming. Come on, let's rock and shine. Also want freedom. Want heavy rain and the road to me. Invited. Please. Hey, I see. Car, start the car. Car, turn off the engine. Turn off the engine. Directly in the garage. Hey, be careful. Careful. Hey, ouch. Collected the money yet. Turn on the lights. Buddy, this hasn't struggled yet. I'm not following here. So sweet. White. Put on the helmet. I just want to sing this love song slowly by your side. Thank you, traffic police, for the reminder. I put on my helmet. So, the consequences of that sentence are definitely unimaginable. Hello? I was wrong. Aren't you stopping your helmet? Oh, Sorry. Why are you sorry? I finished eating. I really want to know why it has to be put in the trunk. Haha, I was in a hurry today and didn't see how anxious you were. Then you bring the helmet now. Let me see how long it takes you to put it on. I have to find the key first. Wenqiang 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 10. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 20. Look, from where you started looking for the key to putting on your helmet, it took you 20 seconds. Think about it. You encounter a situation. Would you have 20 seconds? Right? But if you just put on the helmet, from when I take it out to put it on, it only takes 5 seconds to solve the problem, right? You wouldn't shorten these 5 seconds, no matter how urgent it is, right? You need to be safety conscious. Can you actually see left and right with this? See what? How many fingers am I holding up now? Don't move your head. How many fingers are on your side? Tell me. I'll take it off right away. I'll be right there. Take off these goggles. Otherwise, when you turn, your peripheral vision, your field of view is only this big. The traffic situation on both sides. You can't see. Understand? Take off these goggles. You can wear the top one to put on the helmet. You understand? You can take them off now. For your safety. It's okay like this? Then if you combine it like this, it won't hurt. It's too much trouble for me. Adjust the helmet properly. Adjust and fasten the strap. Do it properly. Thank you. It's such a simple thing. You don't lack this time, right? Okay. Then it's fine. You go that way. You need to get out of the car and push it. This is going the wrong way. And if you continue forward, go this way. Go this way. Cross the road. Go that way, okay? Understood? This time I'm warning you. If I find you not wearing it next time, I will punish you. Summer, although sun protection is very important for girls. But safety is more important than sun protection. Right?